is excellent. And stream key unlisted now. How do I okay, this is share, right? Share this screen too. Can anyone check if they can stream it and then can anyone be sure? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, Rich. I'm live. You can come whenever you are free. So for now, when we go to our charts, let's see what was there. Even though I didn't expect it to be a good day, because there was this war news and everything. Okay, Rich, I'll be waiting for you. No issues. I'll send you Google Meet link and you can join through that. We have opening divergence here. Okay, I guess I'm speaking very slow. Is it fine now? This being the first stream, so I don't know what should be talked about. Okay, Breva, thank you so much, brother. Okay, if anyone of you wants to share your setups and join me, you can just DM me. I will send you Google Meet link so you can join from there. So, if you look at the indices, I don't see anything other than this lower time frame. It was here, right? Yeah, this was there. At 1 hour we had this opening, this and this divergence was there, which is our weekly divergence. So once this candle closes, our divergence is confirmed, but since it was the Asian session, so let's go to London. After London, if there is anything, any setups are there or not. I don't see a daily SSMT. The weekly was there, but there was no daily SSMT, but I think there was one on the 90-minute cycle. So for the 90-minute cycle we go on to 5 minutes, if it was there or not. This 90-minute, no, there was no 90-minute cycle. Let's check on the what's the name, SP500. SP500, if we check this one, and let's check for the SP500. No, there was no divergence on SP500 actually, so there was no long trade for me in London. But if you want to scalp, then there was one setup which was here, which happened right here. So if you look at this thing, this one here, 90-minute cycle, the Nasdaq took the highs of previous quarter, but US 30 was not able to do so. So if we look at here, we had this 5-minute PSP, the same candle which is of 435, the same candle here is bullish, right? This candle is bullish. So once we get a price closing below this candle, we have this order block. So this was a possible entry from this, and you could have targeted like this, or if you take this swing high as your stop loss, then also it would give you around 1 to 3. So this was the only setup, but it was against the weekly SSMT, so I was not confident about this one. And is there anyone who wants to join in? And can any of you guys check if the chat is working fine with the stream? Because no one has sent any messages there, so I'm just not sure if it is working or not. I'll have to log in from okay. Breva, you can also join if you want to share your setups or your strategy or something. Yes, I think you took one trade today in you longed EUGU, right? So I had one confusion if the hidden SSMT was there or not, because I couldn't find it on my charts. So I would like to hear your opinion on that. And guys, please be cooperative, because this is my first stream, so I don't know much about the streams, but as we move along I'll learn as well. So for now, just bear me, and let's go to Euro USD, which is the most traded pair, if anything is there, and GBP USD. Go to weekly, and weekly is Rich, you'll have to write it there. Did you read the YouTube channel? I have to write here. No, I'll read the chats. Just give me a moment. I'll read it. You don't get what are you asking? I asked you if you want to join in. You can join through Google Meet and share your setups. And Breva as well. Okay. Yeah, I'll drop you the Google Meet link. Just give me a second. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's see. I sent you Rich. It was there, bro, but I also had to remove the wicks to see it was there. See, top loaner. See, the only confusion I had, because the the quadrants that were plotted due to the indicator, they started afterwards. So if we go with that, then the closing of the each quarter was above the previous quarter. So none of these pairs actually violated the that closing price. So that was the confusion, if there was hidden SSMT or not. So that's why I asked Briva if it was there, so he can show his setup.
Okay, yeah. Can
Hey
you hear
Rich.
me?
Yeah, Rich, I can hear you. Thank you so much for
Okay.
joining me. I'll You can share your screen if you
Yeah,
want.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't use so much quarterly tip, so that's it. If you want, I can share my weekly setup for this week.
Okay, yeah, that will be fine. Show anything that you have.
Okay. Yeah, me too, because it's the first time. So.
Okay.
Okay, do you see?
Yeah, I can see it.
Also on TradingView. Now on TradingView, you see?
Yeah, it's lagging a bit. I guess. Give it a minute. Yeah.
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 Okay, you see also TradingView.
Not yet.
Tell me when you see it. So wait, maybe that's uh, screen sharing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to share all the.
If you go to this share one, it should give you an option to share your browser tab.
Like here.
Yeah. Click on share, and then because it is telling like see when
Wait, maybe try another time.
like when you click on the present button, it should show you the different windows. From there you can select which one to share.
Wait, let me search on Google. You can, meanwhile, you can share your other setup.
Okay.
So we don't lose time.
Okay, fine.
It's okay for you.
Yeah, yeah. So okay, so for the euro and USD, we were trying to look at euro USD, and if we go to 4 hour, do we have any SSMT? We have taken this one, two, one, three. We have one monthly, not SSMT but SMT here. Okay, Briva sent something. Okay, So we was shared some screenshots. I will just try to look at that. For today's this one is on 15 minutes. So guys, what we are doing here is we are trying to discuss this stuff related to quarterly theory as well as the CRT thing. So if you have any doubts or if you have anything to share, you can do so.
Yeah, I'm trying to solve this problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm, I let me start Safari. So
So if this does not take the low, but this one takes the low. Okay. Right. So if you go to FXCM, we did have a hidden SSMT here. So yes, Breva was right. There was an hidden SSMT, and after the hidden SSMT was confirmed, where which one took? This one took. So right, once candle closes above this one. So once candle closes above this one, this was our what is this timing? 23:30. This one, and after that, this could have been a possible entry, because if you see, these candles did not make any fair value gap here, but there was a fair value gap here. So at the tag of this one, this could have been a good entry, which was right there and there, protecting these lows, and we can target this one. So yes, this was a possible setup, which of course I didn't take, but Brewer did take it, so it was really nice one. What I was confused about, this gap, if you see in the indicator, there's this gap is there. So I was checking the previous quarter low from this point, so then I saw both are taking the lows, so that means it's not hidden, but I didn't know that we have to take this from this one. I don't know why they have this one hour gap, but chart is there, but in this indicator doesn't plot this quarter from there. If anyone
yeah,
knows about this.
I think the gap is because it's Sunday.
Yeah,
Take
it's
on
Sunday.
Monday.
It's that 1 hour gap is there. Like the the indicator starts from 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. New York, but
Yeah.
this chart started plotting from 5 p.m. So I don't know. I never encountered this
Oh, I don't
before.
know how to solve it.
Let's see.
Maybe on the settings of the indicator.
Mm-hmm.
Try, but I don't know.
And you day before yesterday, you were saying like you want to share something about the weekly analysis, so you can do so.
Okay, yeah. You now see full the screen, right?
Just a sec. Uh,
Tell me if you see all the screen.
uh, it's still loading.
It's okay.
Not yet. Have you shared the trading view? I can see your screen, but not the trading view.
Okay, no, it's okay. It's just for asking you.
Yeah.
Now you see trading
Yeah,
view,
I can
right?
see. I can see. Yeah, now it's fine. Right.
Starting from Euro USD.
Okay.
Okay. On monthly,
Mm-hmm.
we have this fake market structure shift here, so turtle soup,
Mm-hmm.
and this one real market structure shift.
Right.
So I want to see a liquidity grab, but it's possible to see here. Okay, liquidity grab for a possible retrace, maybe at 50% in this inverse fair value gap, or also this. So I mark this as OI, so point of interest, instead of weekly. Weekly, on weekly, on Euro USD, I'm not sure. Maybe I want to see past weekly high taken, or we can already go short by this liquidity graph. Um, Daily time frame. We could scale off per hour. Okay, that's better. We have the S&T, okay, on GU.
Okay.
So I want to take a short on Euro USD because it's the stronger. But we would also see Euro USD, that is the stronger, taking this liquidity here. That is market here. What do you think about Euro USD?
We will first have to look at Dixie. So if you open the dollar
Okay.
index, because see, I was not interested to trade today. The reason is we were opening after the weekend and there was this war news. So I didn't know how the market will behave to that because it's a big news.
Okay.
So that's why when we talked yesterday, I told you that Monday might not be a good day to trade. So I was not interested at all. So we'll have to check with the
Okay.
Dixie how it is
We,
performing.
I don't get which news are you talking about. This one?
No, I am talking about the war between Israel and Iran.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, the
so
war.
that war because see
Yeah,
these news that are on the calendar, they are expected news. So these we can trade,
yeah,
but if something unexpected comes from the war, we are not prepared for that, right? So that is the main
okay, yeah, I
concern.
get. I think that
So if we go, if
uh,
can you go to Dixie monthly chart once, because I think
yeah,
it hit some monthly levels before. Yes, there is monthly fair value gap,
yeah,
and
yeah,
also the
inverse. So,
breaker for monthly. So from here we
but
can
yeah,
see one reaction to the upward, and for that we need a confirmation on daily time frame, which is still missing. If you go to daily, there is no structure shift here. There is no market structure shift. We are still
okay,
going down here. So
yeah. So on this side,
mhm.
uh,
If we look at the
I'm
DXI, we are at the monthly CRT low as well, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
But on this side, I'm a little confused because yes, we have this inverse fair value gap, this manipulation here,
mhm.
and think we could go also short because we could take also this as a broken range. Okay.
Yes.
So I want to see at least a little retrace at this low,
Okay.
uh, or we could consider this and start also. Okay, so first market structure shift that is uh, false, that also take this fair value gap,
Right.
and this market structure shift as a real market structure shift.
Mhm.
So we could take maybe an OTA to this monthly inverse fair value gap and this range here. So that's why I'm a little confused. If
Yeah, but that's on
I don't
monthly
know,
chart. So if we look at the present week, so we are at monthly level, and we are trading below the monthly CRT low. So if we get a daily confirmation, so after that we can take daily model one, or we can frame our long trends based on that on Dixie. So that is my
okay, so you
idea.
want to see first a confirmation on daily, right?
Yeah, because it's at a monthly level, so that's why.
Okay, like model daily model one.
Yeah. So if
Okay,
we have daily
yeah,
model 1, we can trade daily, as well as then once we have the bias established to the bullish for Dixie, then accordingly we can trade on lower time frame for EU and GU as well.
okay, so you would take this as
Yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
daily model
right,
one.
right,
Okay,
right, right.
yeah, I think this probably will be valid because of this price gap. Okay, I saw that usually price fill this price gap like here
Uh-huh.
and retest it. Also here no, okay, but many times. So yes, it could be a nice trade. Also taking out this liquidity here,
Right.
here. That if I'm not wrong, be also no, yeah, would be also this level.
If we look at the larger lag for the Dixie on monthly, we are also on
Okay.
discount, I guess. Can you check that one?
Oh, I didn't get it. Sorry, can you repeat?
The Can you mark the longest this monthly range, a monthly impulse lag, the left one? We are coming at the discount as well, and this monthly fair value gap is at discount, I guess,
On
on the
daily chart, you daily,
monthly chart, monthly.
monthly.
Okay, yeah, this longer one, the left side, this
This
left, more left. This
is
consolidation happened in, yeah, this left, more left, the long one, the impulsive leg, this one.
oh
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, I get
if
it.
we go on that one, we are coming to the discount of that one and at OT level as well. So this also adds to the
Okay, yeah,
to the confluence for longs. So we have
oh
OT entry, we have the liquidity taken from the consolidation, monthly consolidation, then we have the monthly
yes,
fair value gap, and also monthly CRT.
yeah.
So these four are the
Thank you,
confluences
bro. I
for
didn't
Dixie
see
to
it.
go wrong. So
But can I ask you a little question?
sorry, yeah, sure.
On Fibonacci retrace, okay, this
Uh-huh.
in general, any Fibonacci with OT,
Mm-hmm.
did you use the 618 or 816? Because I saw like all the Romeo's middle, but when he talked about this, one time he said 618, and
Mm.
another time 816. So I don't get which is the correct
816.
one. 816, okay.
816, no. We use 618.
No,
No, no, no. We use
so
see,
this is
I prefer to use three levels. I'll just show you. These point
yeah.
707, point 618,
What?
point 707, and point 786. The zone between them,
Okay, point seven
point seven,
six.
point 707,
Sorry.
0.707, 07,
Oh, okay.
point 07.
Yeah, let me see on your chart so I can
Okay,
do it fast. Also on live,
okay.
it's the same.
I'll see. See, if I'll have to go with the OT, I use these levels. So this zone is my OT zone. So OT is not
Oh, okay.
like we are not trading the level itself. We are adding the confluence from the other PD arrays, right? We could have
Yeah, okay.
some order block here or some fair value gap or anything.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
like the golden zone.
this is the zone that they call golden zone.
Yeah,
So I mostly use these ones.
yeah, okay. I get it. Thank you.
No problem.
If you want, I can go through GBP.
Yeah, sure.
So, GBP is actually similar. We have this manipulation here.
Okay.
I think we just let me check. No, okay, no. No, yeah. We also have this SMT, right?
Okay.
Yeah, this SMT.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. So I think we could take this as also market section shift.
Yes, we can.
And
Right.
we have taken past past high, monthly high. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to see price at least retrace,
Retrace back to this fair value
maybe
gap.
to
Right. Right.
yeah. Also with the Fibonacci.
Mm-hmm.
I think also your level would be
Actually, I
here.
face difficulties when we trade from ERL to IRL, right? From external to internal, it becomes difficult for me. Reason being, I don't know from where it will retrace. So once the external is established, what I notice is it will definitely take reaction from some previous PD array, but it sometimes it becomes very difficult to predict like from where it will take. So I mostly try to trade from internal to external,
Okay. You
and
mean
I also
external liquidity?
yeah, from fair value gap to swing points, it is much easier to trade that way. But
Okay. So like from here to this
yeah,
fair
from
value
yeah
to
from here
here.
to here, but then it's very long term, so then we'll have to go to lower time frames to trade those
Yeah,
trades.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you. Oh, so on weekly,
Weekly we have
uh,
nothing as of now, like nothing concurrent. So
yeah,
if we
yeah, we
take,
are already
yeah,
ranging,
yeah,
and
we are ranging like,
market maker, I think, placing an order here,
mm-hmm.
here,
So
taking out all the liquidity.
yes,
But we have much liquidity from here to
yes,
here.
we have,
So this liquidity here is the fair value gap, all these 4 week ranging.
yes,
So I think once we take out all this liquidity, in fact, I marked this also about that this is the monthly fair value gap.
mm-hmm.
We have this important breaker block here,
Okay,
okay, that also go through fair value gap, so we can consider it as a high probability breaker block.
mm-hmm.
Scaling down to daily, I didn't see really much something important, but mark this order block. I want to see price breakthrough and take the mean threshold of this order block 50%. So I want to see something like in the path where it's okay. So I want to see something like this, okay, taking this mean threshold,
Okay,
maybe trace to that breaker block.
mm-hmm.
But for now, I didn't see
Yeah, for
much.
now it's ranging, so no point
Yeah,
in
yeah,
making
yeah.
that one.
I
So we'll have to
I
go to lower
think
time
that
frames only. But going below
what
daily for making any trades is not that like high probable.
yeah, we don't have really much anything, but I think that we could wait tomorrow that we have high news.
Yes, tomorrow.
So maybe I want to see um, Monday ranging.
Yeah, and
In fact,
Tuesday
it's already
Tuesday
ranging.
sweeping.
So I want to see high of the Monday high taken out,
Mm-hmm.
going to this level here.
Yeah,
At
right.
least
Because
taking out
there is
this
liquidity
liquidity.
build up at the downside, so a high is more probable.
Yeah,
Right, right.
yeah. That's it. So that's all.
Okay,
Do you
that's it.
have, if you can show also your setup on Geo would be perfect so we can confront each other.
Well, I didn't make any setups on Geo for today because, as I said, I was not looking forward to trade today.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah,
you was looking for Nasdaq,
yeah, I was
right?
looking at Nasdaq, and this was the trade that I already. This was the trade that on Geo
Yeah.
that was a possible setup. I was explaining how we can do it with the quarterly theory. So, but I did
Okay.
miss that hidden SSMT, but Breva told Breva shared his setup, so now it's clear. Like that was the confusion, like from where he was calculating hidden. So if you see, this was the opening of the quarter, and this EU didn't take the closing price of the previous quarter, but GU did. So this was the first crack in correlation at this place, and then how do we confirm? So to confirm the SSMT, I am using what the Boko uses. He uses the candle that the first breaks the correlation, right? So because we are at this point we are taking the closing price for our breaking correlation, crack in correlation. So which candle closed below this one, right? So this was the candle that was responsible for the crack, right? So once price closes above this one, then we are sure that yes, we have a cracking correlation, and now we can go long. So to go long, we need
Oh,
one more crack, and that one more crack, because we always look for two stages of SSMT, right? When we don't have the higher
okay.
time
Yeah,
frame, this what you say, high time frame bias in our side, so we look for at least two SSMTs in our favor. So this was the first one, and then when this candle closes above this, it did make a fair value gap here on GU, but it failed to make any fair value gap here, right?
yeah, okay. Yeah,
So then, if there is no fair value gap, this is also a crack, right? So once this candle goes below this, and this one fails to go below this, this is our SSMT fill, right? So from here only we can take, this is our point of interest, the fair value gap which was missing here. So as soon as we tap at this point, we can trade here, we can long here, and our stop loss will go below this point, because this is our
okay.
point of
Yeah,
invalidation. This is the point of
okay.
invalidation. So that was
But
the only trade idea I came across for now. And on Nasdaq we did have one trade idea, but then it is not following the higher time frame bias, because if we are going long, it was very small retracement trade, so I wouldn't go with that. But if you want, I can show that as well. So this was the only setup I would look
yeah,
for.
yeah, yeah, yeah. If you are okay, show it so
Okay, I'll
it can be helpful.
okay, we'll go with the last 100, and this one. Okay, I did plot there. Okay, and next one is US 30. Okay. So in the last 100 we only had this. So see, we were on the 1 hour fair value gap, which was missing here, right?
Yeah,
So then if we go to 5 minutes, at this place we have this cracking correlation. This was our 90-minute cycle SSMT, this one, and it break here. So this candle, if you can see this candle,
yeah.
this candle is red here, bearish one, and this the same candle is bullish here, this one. So
Yeah.
this was our
But can I?
PSP. Yeah, go ahead.
But I don't get why you entered on Nasdaq also if was the stronger asset, and why not on US 30?
Because this PSP was red here, right? This was green here,
Yeah,
correct? So
okay.
when the price closed below this, the only confirmed PSP was this one for me, right?
Mm-hmm.
It didn't close here, so this would have been a possible entry, right? And this is also very confusing, like sometimes what happens, that asset that is weaker, as soon as we enter
Yeah,
in that one starts to consolidate, the other one goes weaker. This is also very
okay, yeah,
confusing point for me as well, right? So
okay,
at
yeah.
this point,
Thank you.
and I think Breva was asking a few, he was asking today itself, right? How do we enter on the PSP for 1 hour? So this is Breva, if you are listening, this is the 5 minute PSP. So suppose this is 1 hour. So what we will do, we'll go one time frame below. Once this PSP is confirmed, once the price closes below this one, we will go one time frame below, and then we will look for the last, suppose last candle. Suppose if this was the last green candle, then we'll treat this as true order block, and if there is some kind of order block, some kind of fair value gap, we will also include that one. So that is your area from where that you can short, right? So if this was the area, so you will take your entry here, and then you can target the liquidity points here. So this was the only crack I have found so far, but we'll see in New York session, though I'm not very interested for today, but tomorrow for sure. So
Yeah,
that
I
was,
think that tomorrow we will have many
yeah,
more.
it should be like there's a new show,
Right.
at least it will move from either up or down. It has to move.
Yeah, 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 for
Okay.
sure. Thank you, brother.
Thank
If
you,
you're
brother.
okay, I have to go
Yeah,
because I
bro.
am
It
my
should be.
break in
Yeah,
five
fine, fine,
minutes.
fine. Sure, bro. Sure. And thank
Thank,
you so much, guys, for joining me. And we'll
thank,
start daily stream soon. We are just trying to get hang of this one, and then we will discuss. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, brother. Rich.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.